Alright, question 1b, using completing the square method. That sounds like a nightmare to a lot of students. But several questions in WAEC and Neco would tell you use completing the square method. So they are very simple steps. Just follow me. I will try my best to make it as simple as possible. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, and share to help someone to learn. Now, using completing the square method, solve 3x squared minus 20x plus 12. So you have 3x squared minus 20x plus 12 equals 0. Okay, I like to first of all move the constant to the other side. That's 3x squared minus 20x. This is going there, it's going to turn to minus 12, right? You know, some of us will say we'll carry 12 to the other side and so the sign will change. No, the proper word is additive inverse. So since you have decided to move this to the other side, all you have to say is add the additive inverse of 12 to both sides. The additive inverse of any one number is just the other sign. If it is plus, it will change to minus. If it is negative, it will change to positive. So the additive inverse is minus 12. Imagine I had put minus 12 here, it would have taken off this. This would have been 0. So the first thing is just to take your constant to the other side. Step 1 done, right? Then the second step is to consider the coefficient of x squared. Okay, you know, when you have an algebraic expression 3x, this is the coefficient, this is the variable. Okay, so you consider the coefficient of x squared. In this case, the coefficient of x squared is 3. So all you have to do is to divide through by the coefficient of x squared. Step 2 divide through by the coefficient of x squared over 3 then over 3, then simplify. So 3 will take off 3, we have x squared minus 20x all over 3 equals, okay, this can actually divide 12. So 3 divides 12, leaving us with minus 4. Alright, so this should be the second step. Now the next step is to watch this. The next step is to get the coefficient of x. Now the coefficient of x is minus 20 over 3. That's the coefficient of x squared. Okay, not 20. The coefficient of x squared is minus 20 over 3. Now take the coefficient of x squared, multiply by half, right? Multiply by half, right? Do this, then square it, then add to both sides. Add to both sides. So this is the next operation we're about to carry out. Multiply the coefficient of x by half, square the result, and add to both sides. So let's carry out this operation. So we have x squared minus 20x over 3. Remember, you add to both sides, right? Add minus 20 over 3 as the coefficient of x multiplied by half, right? Some will say divide by 2, the same thing. So you square the result and add to both sides. So we have, well, let me simplify this. Then we're going to have x squared minus 20x over 3 plus minus 20, minus 20 times 1 will give minus 20 over 3 times 2 will give 6. So I'm adding this to both sides. So I'm going to have minus 4, right? Minus 4 plus minus 20 square, minus 20 over 6 square. Okay, so let me simplify the right hand side. Minus 4 plus minus 20 square would give 400. Minus 20 multiplied by minus 20 would give 400. All over 6 square would give 36. Okay, so we are having minus 4 plus 400 over 36. So we can simplify 400 over 36 to give us minus 4 plus 4 would go in both of them, right? Highest common factor. So 4 in 400 would give 100, over 4 in 36 would give 9. Okay, so we'd need to turn this to a single fraction, okay, by just taking the LCM of, this is 9, LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. 1 in 9 times this would give minus 36. 9 multiplied by minus 4 would give minus 36. Then 9 in 9, 1. 1 multiplied by 100, 100. So this is as good as writing 100 minus 36 over 9, which should give us 64 over 9, right? Now watch this. At this stage, you can simply write this x plus times minus would give minus x minus 20 over root 6. This works for every solution. Then you score 8. Now if you expand this expression, you would eventually get back this. Okay, so we would have x minus 20 over 6 all square equals to 64 over 9. So at this point, because of this square, we can square root both sides. Okay, square root both sides. You have the square root of x minus 20 over 6 all square equals, then introduce plus or minus y, bring in your square root, 64 over 9. Now this square will take off square root. So we have x minus 20 over 6 equals plus or minus, both of them are perfect square, right? So the square root of 64 is 8, the square root of 9 is 3. So x minus 20 over 6 equals plus or minus 8 over 3. Now it's looking simple. So all we have to do is to take this, like I said the other time, the additive inverse of this expression, 20 over 6. This is minus 20 over 6. The additive inverse will be plus 20 over 6. So add to both sides. We have x equals 20 over 6 plus or minus 8 over 3. Then let's turn this expression to a single fraction. The LCM is 6 rather. So 6a1 multiplied by 20 plus or minus 3 in 6. You'd have 2 multiplied by 16. So you're having 20 plus 16 all over 6, or 20 minus 16 all over 6. Let's just continue right here. So we can simplify both expressions. 20 plus 16 gives 36 all over 6, or 20 minus 16 gives 4 over 6. So x equals, simplify this, you have 6, or you reduce this fraction to give 2 over 3. So the values of x are 6 or 2 over 3. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, and share to help someone to learn.